don't compare with the others. So their way of is always different. Their position is the different. Their everything, their life experience, their parents, the way how they grow up, all these things are different. That's why don't compare with the others. Always you require to concentrate only on your growth, only on your steps. Okay, maybe other people knowledge you may use, it doesn't mean don't try to copy exactly. There is no use at all. Sometimes one faction, so what we call one love story, movie with a love story, wonderful hit. Assume that wonderful hit. Oh, crores of money got for the producer related to that movie. Then all the remaining directors, all the remaining producers, what they are going to do is immediately everyone is trying to create love story movies. But these movies may get on, but not going to be succeed like original movie. Have you remembered, right? Suppose the suspense thriller got hitted like anything, then all the remaining movies are came in the same style only, but the remaining not up to the mark. In Hyderabad, Bawarchi biryani famous. You may aware, right? You may heard about Bawarchi. Yes, no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Bawarchi, Hyderabad Bawarchi, the topmost biryani. Topmost biryani. Believe me, in every gully, one Bawarchi biryani shop is there. Green Bawarchi is there. Red Bawarchi is there. Airport Bawarchi is there in Shamshabad. Airport Bawarchi is there. Wi-Fi Bawarchi is there. Wi-Fi Bawarchi is there in Maheshwaram. Next, high-tech Bawarchi is there. Like, do you know, almost minimum 20 or 30 Bawarchis I saw. But if I go to the original Bawarchi in RTC Crossroad, they are keeping, we are not having any branches. This is the only branch what we have. Big board will be there. We are not having any branches. This is the only branch what we have. Still they are doing wonderful business. But copied that name and doing, there is no use at all. Okay, they get on, but they can't create miracles. Because their founder experience, their founder background, all those things matters a lot. Okay, how you can copy the name, but you can't copy the originality. Believe me, you can't copy the originality. That is the problem. So, here the same, you should accept. In Telugu, we have wonderful saying is there. Pulini chusi nakka vaatalu pettukoniddaru. Okay, fox is always feeling by seeing the tiger. Tiger is more powerful when compared with fox. Fox is feeling that, okay, tiger has white marks on his body. Okay, maybe. Okay, if I have white marks on my body, then automatically I will be like a tiger. Like it's always going to create white marks on his body. Fox. Is it really after making white marks on his body, is the fox will become tiger? No. Remember that. No. Fox is always fox. Tiger is always tiger. Means their life, generations, everything is a different friend. So now how you can apply this concept?